All right, here we go. Got the airplane all slung up here. Cranes on scene. And go back to my previous post. You can hear interview from Ibrahim, who was the pilot of this airplane when it experienced an engine failure. Let's just make sure these guys can keep this airplane balanced. So certainly an interesting outcome here. Are you keeping it that direction? Who's the truck driver? Who's the truck driver here? Can you get a good jackknife going, or you can spin it? Okay, that's fine. That's going to be pretty. There you go, down. Yeah, that. What's the wheelbase from the front to the mains? Do you have a tape measure? Can you get a tape? We're gonna get a tape measure. Let's check the wheelbase from the nose to the mains, and then because if it'll fit perfectly 90 degrees.
I think it'll fit perfectly. He's worried about the length. I mean the
width.
This way.
Well, you're 33 or 35 feet wide.
20 something this way. So I would.
Yeah. So okay. So here comes the tape measure. Let's before.
Once he gets one down, can you hold him? Can he move it over in front of you? No. Okay, so we have to have them all three or just one?
I want all three down. Take them down. I don't want to be
all right.
Take it 2 minutes, guy.
Can you here? Let's just measure.
No, I get you.
Yeah. So.
Okay, hold this back at the mains. What? Centered on the mains. You're 80 inches. 80. How wide's the deck? Yeah, you got lots of room. Okay, if you can get this thing side 90 degrees, it's gonna be way better for everybody. It's gonna be right on the middle deck here. Can you crank it and you get enough guys holding the wings, you can get this airplane 90 degrees to the trailer. And then you're gonna be the shortest.
Okay.
So don't stretch.
The wing straight this way. Then.
Straight up with in length with the airplane, with the trailer.
There to there, is it?
You check it 8 feet? 8 feet?
It's 80 inches.
Okay.
It's.
Throw this strap when you got a chance to do that.
And
191.
well, no, you're at an angle. Think about the angle here. Okay. Okay, so line it up with the center of the mains.
Yeah. Go
here, here, where's the center of the gear?
Okay,
gotta come right there. You go.
Right there. 80 inches.
Okay.
Okay, so now look at the width of the trailer.
Yeah. Alrighty, I know what you're going for, guy. And if it'll work, I'm all for it.
Okay, all right. So
it'll make things.
So you're probably 96 wide.
There you are.
You're 97. You're 96 wide. So you got lots of room. So
Everything will fit properly.
you didn't need more guys holding the wings.
Yeah.
Can you get some guys to help here? Hold the airplane. Just take the pressure off it and spin it slowly. There you go. Live in action. All right, are you good there? You need help? You good? Okay, you know what to do, as long as the pressure's off, because then you got lots of room. Yeah. Beautiful. Watch the stacks. Just hold that nose there and drop it down. No, it doesn't. Well, we'll manage that. We'll manage that side. That doesn't matter. Just hold that. Give a wheel chock. Just as long as that, it's going to want to come forward. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just press it. No, no, other way, man, other way. That doesn't help.
When it goes that way.
No, it's not going that way. Okay.
This is it. Perfect.
Okay, now it's strap it and chock it. Yeah. But the pressure was all this way when it was coming down.
Take this route.
Okay, look at that. It'll be a fun little escort off the highway. All right, that's it. Good job for the pilots. And I'll update you later.